Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
Very good. Okay, let me make sure that I'm saying your name, pronouncing your name correctly. Sahiba?
Yes, my name is Sahiba and I am from India.
India. Where at in
Yes.
India?
North,
North.
northern
Is it
part. Yes.
is it near uh Hyderabad? Hyderabad?
Sorry?
Is it near Hyderabad?
Yeah. Yep. Yes.
Okay, nice. I've always wanted to
Yeah.
visit India.
Yeah. Oh, where?
Yes, I wanted to visit, of course, north, but also south, Kerala, and go down the
Oh,
backwaters
wow.
in Kerala. Have you visited South India yet?
Yeah. Yes.
You have?
Sorry? Speak again?
Have you visited Kerala? Have you been able to visit Kerala?
No, no Kerala. Rajasthan and Delhi, Gujarat.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes, nice, very good. So how long
So,
have you been practicing English?
I have been 1 month ago.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Do you do you have family members or friends that know English that you were able to practice with?
Actually, yeah, my brother know English.
Yes.
Yes, but I start spoken English 1 month ago.
Sahiba, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
You understand very, very well.
Oh, okay.
So tell me, why why do you want to learn English? Is it for work? Is it for fun?
Yeah, fun and for work.
Yes, very good. What do you do for work?
Actually, my goal is I want to become an Islamic scholar. So English is most important for scholar.
Oh, very good. Are you
Yeah.
going to school, college?
Yes, school. I am in 12th grade right now.
Oh, wow, you look so much older.
Yes.
Oh, wow, very good. Okay. So you are interested in going to college?
Yes.
Yes, very good.
I'm so excited.
Yes. What?
Yeah.
Here, I'm going to do this just to make sure. Um, is your native language Hindi?
Yes, Urdu. Hindi and
Ur-
Urdu.
Urdu. Okay. Urdu is better?
Yeah.
Okay. Um,
Yes.
let's see. Let's do this. What do you want to major in college? Does that make sense?
Mm,
Uh,
yeah, steady.
yes. Yes.
Yes. Islamic study. Uh, uh, yeah, Islamic study.
Islamic study. So
Yes,
is it,
religious.
okay. Very
Yeah.
good. Is it similar? Oh, similar to international studies? Try that. Or just only Islamic study?
Yes.
Mm. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good.
Yeah.
That was my major, international studies.
Uh-huh.
Very interesting.
Uh-huh.
So,
Wow.
yes. So tell me about yourself. What are your plans for the summer? What are your plans for the summer? There you go.
Yeah, right now it's summer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes. What are your plans?
What about you?
Yes. My plans for the summer is work.
Yeah, me too.
Right. Yeah. Work.
Yeah.
Right now I'm
Yes.
in Mexico. In Mexico?
Mexico and America.
Mm-hmm. It is Central
Oh.
America. Yeah.
Yeah.
Central America. So I am here to work.
Mhm.
No play, just focus, work.
Oh yeah. Yes, only work.
Yeah, reach my goals.
Me too.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Very good. Let's
You're a
see.
busy
Do you have?
person.
Yes, exactly. Do you have any siblings?
Yes. I have 3 siblings.
3?
Yes.
Brother?
I have 2 older brothers and 1 older sister. 3,
Very
and
good.
including me, 4.
Oh, so you are
Yes.
the youngest?
Young. Yes.
Very good. So anyway, your English is so good. I'm amazed at how good it is for only learning 1 month.
Yeah.
Yes. Do you practice English reading and writing or?
Yes. Yes. I have a lot of practice.
Yes. But conversation when can't. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yes. Yes. I learn grammar lessons by Cambly teachers.
Oh, very good. Yes.
The model, article, part of
Yes.
speech. Yeah, everything.
Do you take classes, English classes at school?
No.
No English classes. Is English
Yeah.
spoken
No.
around you? Not really.
Sorry.
Oh, is English spoken in your city or your town, or only Hindi and Urdu?
Yeah, Hindi and Urdu usually.
Okay. So
Yeah.
English is not usually spoken.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's Cambly Cambly's a good source for speaking and learning
Yes.
English. Yes.
Yeah.
Very good.
I'm so happy.
Yes, very good.
Yeah.
So, do you graduate high school this year? Do
Graduate?
you graduate high school this year?
Yeah. This year is last in
Yes.
high school.
Yes. So, will you go to college in August or next year?
Yes, next year. Yes, next year I will go to college.
Have you chosen a college?
No. Actually,
No.
recently I done my 11th standard and I take a new admission in 12th grade. Yes, right now.
Okay. Very good. Well, you have so much going for you.
Yes.
You have so much going for you, and you're a very interesting person. It's so good to speak with you.
Okay, thank you.
Keep learning.
Okay, nice
keep
to
doing
meet you.
good.
See you again. Yeah.
See you
Bye
again,
bye.
Sahiba.